It's that time again, folks. Welcome back. Today's voice clip is going to be one I'm sure everyone recognizes, because this is a character that is everywhere. A character we've all met or seen on TV at least once. Who am I talking about? The old geezers, of course. The cranky, crotchety old codgers that just love to make all the young people suffer. You know, the guys always yelling at the kids to get off their lawn or complaining about how everything wasn't as good as it used to be in their day. Just what is it that makes them so funny anyway? Is it their voice? Is it their attitude? Is it the fact that they complain about everything? Personally, I think it's their obsession with their old-fashioned values that change over time. And while I have a few different versions of the old man, I think this one works the best, and is the funniest. Take a listen.
People got no respect for elders these days. Why, just the other day I opened my door and a flaming bag full of poo was on my doorstep. When I finally stopped stomping on it, the little bastards were laughing in the bushes because my shoes were full of crap. Damn kids. In my time, if you acted up, you got sent to a factory or the military. That straightened you out. Oh, but no, today it's all about no child left behind. I say leave them all behind. Of course, now all the kids today care about is playing Angry Birds on their phones. For God's sakes, phones used to be used to make calls, not play games. Kids back then used to play outside. Now all they do is play with themselves. It's just disgraceful. Oh, and all that garbage television they watch every day. All this crap on TV about New Jersey and Kardashians and SpongeBob SquarePants. It's making young people dumber than ever before. Used to be that boys watched boy shows and girls watched girl shows. These days we got 30-year-old men watching My Little Pony. Oh, where does it end? Oh, but I tell you, the worst thing of all, the absolute worst thing, is when people go online making stupid videos. I tell you, those people are the worst. Up yours, all you young people!